So in this problem, we're told that the volume of a right circular cylinder A is 22 cubic centimeters. And then we're asked, what is the volume in cubic centimeters of a right circular cylinder with twice the radius and half the height of cylinder A? So it seems like we're dealing with the volume of a cylinder. So what we want to do is use that formula. So the volume of a cylinder is equal to pi times r squared times h. So this is going to be the formula of a cylinder. And so we know that the volume of our first one is going to be 22. So 22 is going to be equal to pi r squared times h. And then we have another one. It says this one, though, is going to have twice the radius and half the height. So let's create a new formula for this one because we don't know what it is. That's what we're trying to find, right? So we're trying to find the volume of another one, but we're changing our radius and height. So pi is equal to our radius, but this one tells us the radius is twice this one, right? So twice the radius, so replacing r with 2r, right? So we're just pretending it's twice the radius, so squared, and then the h, it says the height is half of the height of this one, because this one's cylinder A. And so what we want to do is take the height and divide it by 2, right? Because our height's half of this one. And so based on this, let's simplify this, and then it's going to give us a clear picture as to the answer. So if we multiply this out, we're going to have pi, and then 2r squared. What we do is we square each term, so 2 squared is 4. And then r squared, or r squared is just r squared. And then we're multiplying by h over 2. And so what you should realize here is this is just basically 1/2 times h. And so this 1/2 and 4 we can move out front. So it just becomes 4 times 1/2 times pi r squared times h. And so 4 times 1/2 is just 2. So 2 pi r squared times h. And so what you should realize here is that we have a 2 in front in this one, and we don't have it here. And so this one's 22 equals pi r squared times h, and this one is 2 times pi r squared times h. So this one's basically double, right? Because we're just multiplying it by 2. So this one's basically going to be double this one. And so if this one's 22, then this one's going to be equal to 44, right? Because it's just double our original one because we have this 2 out front. So the answer to this problem is going to be 44. So if we look at our answers, C is going to be 44. So the answer to this problem is going to be C.